Welcome to Old Town Dubrovnik. The best meeting spot is between the Pile Gate and the tourist office. This is where most tours begin. I highly recommend the free walking tour with Guru Walks. It was an amazing experience. Before you start, please note if you plan on walking the walls, it costs 40 euros. Instead, consider purchasing the official Dubrovnik pass for the same price. It includes free entry to the city walls, museums, galleries, and public transportation. Pile Gate is the main entrance to the old town of Dubrovnik. It was built in the 15th century and originally had a wooden drawbridge that was pulled up at night to prevent unwelcome guests from entering the medieval walled city. Today, the gate features a beautiful stone bridge and is adorned with a statue of Saint Blaise, the patron saint of Dubrovnik. Just inside Pile Gate, you'll find the large Onofrio's fountain. It served as the endpoint of an aqueduct system that brought water from a spring 12 kilometers away. You absolutely must walk the city walls for their spectacular views. It gets quite crowded, so the best time to go is right when they open at 8 a.m. The views are truly amazing. The Franciscan Monastery is a historic and beautiful site. It was built in 1317. It includes a church, a cloister, a library, and one of the oldest functioning pharmacies in the world. Straden, also known as Plaka, is the main street in Dubrovnik's Old Town. It is lined with historic buildings, shops, cafes, and restaurants. It's a great place to stroll and soak up the atmosphere of this beautiful city. At the end of the street, you will come to Dubrovnik's bell tower. Built in 1444, the tower features two bronze figures known as Maro and Baro, which strike the bell every hour. The Church of Saint Blaise is a Baroque church dedicated to Saint Blaise, the patron saint of Dubrovnik. It is one of the city's most iconic landmarks. The rector's palace served as the seat of the rector of the Republic of Ragusa from the 14th century until 1808. The architecture combines Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque style. The Dubrovnik Cathedral, also known as the Cathedral of the Assumption of the Virgin Mary. It's a prominent landmark in Dubrovnik's Old Town. The current Baroque structure was built between 1671 and 1733. The cathedral's impressive dome is visible throughout the city. Stroll the many alleyways of the old town. The Church of St. Ignatius. It's a stunning Baroque church, often referred to as the Jesuit Church. Construction began in 1699 and was completed in 1725. The church is famous for its beautiful interior featuring elaborate frescoes and a grand altar. The Jesuit stairs are Baroque stairs leading up to the church and are reminiscent of the Spanish steps in Rome. This is where Cersei did her walk of shame in the Game of Thrones. The Old Town Harbor is a picturesque and historic port located on the eastern side of the town. It's filled with small boats, ferries, and yachts offering stunning views of the city walls and the Adriatic Sea. It's perfect for a leisurely stroll with plenty of benches to sit and enjoy the scenery and the amazing sunsets. Well, thank you for joining me on my tour of Old Town Dubrovnik, and for more must-see destinations, please subscribe.